Hello. So, you want to learn how to ride a motorcycle. It's fairly simple, but at first, it's going to scare the shit out of you. And I'll show you why. Well, God. Oh, hey! So you want to ride a motorcycle? Fuck. I don't know how to start this. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to ride a motorcycle. Alright. So first, take your key, ignition. I have handlebar lock, so no could steal my bike. This is your kill switch. Flip that kill switch on, you're gonna hear it do a little thing. Alright. And then this is your starting switch. So this is your kill switch, this is your starting switch. And you're gonna press the starting switch. It's not gonna start if it's in first gear, which is right here. Click down into first. And yeah, it'll only start in neutral if you have the kickstand down. If you switch down the kickstand while you're driving, your engine will shut off. So, we're gonna make this fast in 5 minutes because it's a 5-minute tutorial. Alright, so you're gonna hop on. Yep, scary. Very scary. And, sorry, so, this is your clutch on your left hand. This is your front brake on your right hand. What you're gonna wanna do is actually, let me get out in the parking lot first. So we're in the parking lot now. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clutch in and click down into first, okay? This is how you get started in first gear. We're not going to click up any gears. And I don't want you to mess with the throttle, okay? So I have my clutch in, throttle, I'm not going anywhere, right? Because my clutch is in. Like any manual vehicle, if you have your clutch in and you give it gas, it's not going to go anywhere. I forgot to lock up the shop, but I'll come back to it. Okay, so what I want you to do is find the biting point of your clutch. Yeah. So I just want you to slowly let the throttle go. Slowly. You're going to start to hear your engine like make a little funny noise. I don't know if you could hear it. And you'll start rolling forward a little bit. And all I want you to do is to just let it bite and then just stick with it, and then slowly let it out a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, and boom, I'm finally all the way out. I'm going 4 miles an hour, no throttle, okay? This is like idle driving around. Alright, let's try this again. So take 2. Slowly let off the clutch. Make sure there's no cars. Slowly. We're still going, letting off. Going 4 miles an hour. Okay, and now you can gently give it some gas. Gently give it some gas. Gently. And look, we're at 4,000 RPMs in first gear, going 10 miles, 11 miles an hour. You're driving. Okay, this guy's telling me to go through, so I'm going to. But, I'll show you guys. So, we're going to try this again, except we're going to do it a little bit differently, okay? We're going to find that bite point. We're going to give it a little bit more gas. Just, when you feel it bite, you want to do it the same way where you gently applied gas after you let the clutch all the way out, but do it at the same time this time. It's very slow. It's very slow. Let's make a U-turn here. Alright. So let's try that again. So we're here. We're letting the throttle until it makes some noise, or until it starts lurching forward. That's your, whatever bite point, whatever, and then you'll give it some gas at the same time, just a little bit, and you'll slowly let out the throttle. Slowly, and there we are. Alright, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to continue watching, I'm just going to drive to a friend's house. And that's how you drive in the first gear, you know? That's the hardest part. Okay, had to shift, right? So clutch in, shift up, gas. Clutch in, shift up, gas. Clutch in, shift up, gas, sorry. Clutch in, shift up, gas. And now I'm in 6th gear. Top gear.